amateur.
A little metal work on my grill and it'll be good as new.
Hee tougher now.
Make sure you take out the trash, clean the dishes, and then mop the whole entire Krusty Krab, Squidward.
Can someone please end my miserable life?
Sure thing, Squidward.
Uh-oh.
Mr. Krabs, can I leave early? I have a date tonight.
Sure, but who you going out with?
Her name is Pearl.
You're dating my daughter!
Wait, what? No! No, Mr. Krabs.
Oh, so not smart.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado.
Get out of here!
Only lose your hair. What the hell do you want, Patrick?
Pressure getting to you?
So, what's jumping got to do with it?
Squidward. Mr. Krabs, Squidward's sleeping on the job.
Gotta look both ways, loser!
What the hell did I do?
Who the hell is
This
that?
sure don't look
Squidward?
like any sport I've seen
I'll
before.
take care of this, Mr. Krabs. Sir, I'm about to ask you to leave. SpongeBob, Mr. Krabs is thinking about firing you.
You made the right choice, partner.
Right? You can't help yourselves. I know.
What?
Oh, so not smart.
Tornado emergency for Grant in northern Garfield County. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for Grant County in northern Oklahoma, northern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Wichita or 17 miles southeast of Medford, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover
Aw,
now.
shucks.
Hazard, deadly tornado.
Mamma mia.
Source, storm spotters reported a large and destructive tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible.
Oh,
Locations
I hate
impacted
it, I hate
include
it.
Wichita, Kremlin, Pond Creek, Jefferson, Medford, Lamont, and Deer Creek. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a storm shelter. On the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Oklahoma, Grant and Garfield.
Aw, shucks.